Sarah makes $120,000 per month and she made $4.9 million at only 22 years old. Most 22-year-olds waste time scrolling through Instagram, watching friends post about their unpaid internships and ramen noodle dinners, while Sarah is over here casually making $120,000 per month from her laptop. Yeah, that's right. While most people her age are still figuring out how to do their own laundry, this girl built a $4.9 million empire. And no, she didn't inherit it, win the lottery, or marry a crypto bro. So how does a former Tim Hortons employee making minimum wage turn into a multi-millionaire before she can even legally rent a car in some states? Let's rewind to where it all started. Sarah was 15 years old, working over 30 hours a week at Tim Hortons while going to school full-time. And while her friends were blowing their paychecks on electric scooters, because apparently that was a thing, Sarah was grinding to save for her college and help her mom pay bills. There's this one moment that changed everything. Sarah took the bus to her mom's workplace, a shawarma workshop, and found her exhausted, running around like she was training for the Olympics just to finish the last orders before closing. Seeing her 50-year-old mom completely drained hit Sarah like a truck. But here's the plot twist. This heartbreaking moment taught Sarah the one skill that would eventually make her millions: work ethic. Yeah, I know, sounds boring compared to secret algorithms and passive income hacks, but stick with me. By the end of her first year flipping burgers and dealing with angry customers, Sarah had saved $5,000. Not bad for someone who couldn't even drive yet. Fast forward to 16-year-old Sarah sitting on $5,000 and burning with desire to make serious money. What does she do? The same thing every ambitious teenager does when they watch too much YouTube. She starts dropshipping. After spending almost a year watching every how to get rich quick video and throwing money at horses like she was feeding a slot machine, Sarah was convinced her store would explode overnight because hey, the gurus made it look easier than making toast, right? Wrong. 7 days and $5,000 in ads later, Sarah had made exactly $0. That's right, zero. After a few months of this financial torture, she'd lost her entire $5,000 savings. Imagine explaining that to your mom. Like, hey mom, remember that college fund? Yeah, about that. Sarah spiraled into what she calls a deep depression. She wanted to hide under her covers forever. And honestly, who wouldn't? Losing all your money when you are just 16 years old, it's different than losing your keys. But here's where Sarah's story gets interesting. That massive failure taught her something the gurus conveniently forgot to mention. You actually need skills to succeed online. Wild concept, I know. After taking a 6 to 12 month break to lick her wounds and work at a clothing store, Sarah decided to give dropshipping one last shot. But this time she was smarter. Instead of betting the farm on one product, she tested small, $100 to $200 per product. After testing 4 to 5 products with 0 sales, Sarah was ready to throw in the towel again. But then she decided to test just one more product, a dog water bottle that was trending. Within 6 months, this random dog accessory had made her over $60,000 in profit. From one complete failure to $60,000. Talk about a glow up. But here's the kicker. Sarah realized dropshipping wasn't sustainable, too risky, too skill intensive for beginners. So she closed her stores, threw her money into the stock market and waited for her next move. Enter 2020. Sarah is 18, sitting on $100,000 from dropshipping, jobs, and smart investing. Then TikTok explodes and Sarah notices something. No girls her age were talking about finance on the platform, so she started sharing her finance knowledge. Within weeks, her content was getting thousands of views, sometimes millions. Sarah went from feeling like a failure to feeling like she was changing lives, and the money? It started rolling in. By 19, she was making $50,000 a month from YouTube, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. But here's what Sarah learned: that income was volatile. Some months were amazing, others not so much. She needed something more consistent. At 19, with about $1 million in investments in her bank account, Sara broke down her income streams like a financial detective. She was making $15,000 from sponsorships, $5,000 from YouTube AdSense, $10,000 from affiliate marketing, and $20,000 from coaching. And then it hit her. Affiliate marketing was the gold mine she'd been sitting on. She was barely putting any effort into that $10,000 monthly stream, and it was extremely scalable. So Sara went all in on affiliate marketing and discovered what she calls the business she should have started in the first place. No creating products, no huge startups, no specialized skills, just learning how to create viral content. Her affiliate marketing income exploded to $50,000 per month, while still pulling in $20,000 from YouTube and sponsorships. Today, Sara has made over $5 million by age 22. She bought her dream house, travels the world, and most importantly, her mom never has to work again. They vacation together while Sara runs her empire from her laptop. So what's Sara's actual secret? It's not some magical algorithm or secret course. It's this: she developed real skills, learned from massive failures, stayed persistent when everything seemed hopeless, and found a business model that actually works for beginners. While everyone else is looking for shortcuts, Sara proved that the fastest way to success is sometimes taking the long road first. If you don't know where to start or find Sara's business complicated, then check out how a 26-year-old makes $1.6 million per month in this video.